Hello everyone, welcome to my Sherry studio. Today I'm going to make some unexpected project because my mom asked me to make a card for my uncle who has a birthday in a couple of days. So I don't have much time and I have to send it as quick as I can. So let's do this. My idea is to make a space full of stars. That is why I'm going to blend some inks, and I have here 3 different kind of inks. I have this Purple Passion, and this is chalk ink. I have this HEYDA ink, but I don't know the name of the color. This is pigment ink, and I have this Oxide. The color is Black Soot, and this is the watercolor ink. I have never used it before, so I'm curious how it's going to blend. So in the middle of my card, I'm going to use Purple Passion, and then I'm going to blend this dark blue color, and the rest of the space is going to be black. Okay, my space is ready, so now I'm using some heating tool to make it completely dry. Now I'm going to make some stars, but for this I'm going to use some acrylic paints because they are going to look better, I think, more visible. Now I'm using mine a FINETEC silver paint, and I'm going to paint some more stars. And now I'm going to add some glitter dots as some more stars. Now I have here some small stars. I think these are nails ornaments, but now they are going to be on my card. I'm aware that now they can be invisible for you, but you will see them later in the movie. I have this cute sign and it's in Polish and it means all the best. So I'm going to paint it with my silver FINETEC paint and to glue it to my card. Oops, it's broken. Well, it's so delicate that I need to be very, very careful because I don't want to ruin it. Okay, it looks nice, so I can glue it to my card. So far so good. I'm very pleased with the effect. I need to trim my card a little bit because I'm going to add some black background. I also printed this sign. It means today you're a star, and I'm going to add it below the all the best sign. With this very thin foam tape, I'm going to stick it to my card. And the last details, I think I will add some stars to this sign as well. And this is how ready card looks like. I love these sparkling stars and I hope you like it too. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you soon. Bye!